This time, we introduce Miracle Power for Infinite Riches by Joseph Murphy. Murphy's Law. 3 ways to dramatically increase effectiveness. 1. Word Spirit. Choose positive words and create an affirmation that makes you feel right. Do it for about 5 minutes before going to bed and after waking up. 2. Body. During affirmation, relax as much as you can. I decided to stop trying to keep the tension going, relax and feel ecstatic. 3. Image. An acquaintance who is likely to say a positive word that you can imagine is totally awesome to you. I have the image that they really say it works. How long and how many times do affirmations occur? Do this until you feel relaxed and relaxed. The 2 essences that Murphy wanted to convey. 1. Have greed. If this is the case, I will fully affirm my greed and choose myself freely. 2. Goddess. By seeking and believing in God, you can relax, and immerse yourself in ecstasy. I believe that infinite intelligence, God the Father and God the Inner will absolutely and fulfill what they want with perfect timing. What is the strongest affirmation in the world? It will give you comfort and ecstasy. What sounds to you? It is the only one in the world that only you know. Let's think about it once in a lifetime and use Murphy's strongest spirit to create the strongest affirmation in the world. Then it is practice. Murphy's strongest spirit. Here are 50 or more of the strongest words in the book. The following spirits will immediately and positively affect your subconscious: peace, beauty, abundance, guidance, love, joy, health, harmony, infinite intelligence, peace of mind, relaxation, freedom, fun, affirmation, understanding, divine work, saturation, success, prosperity, spirit, light, healing, filling, blessing, rejoicing, appreciation, prosperity, best, trust, wealth, relaxation, infinity, rich like an avalanche, respect, conviction, confidence, perfection, establishment, satisfaction, soundness, miracle, kind, cooperative, happy ending, multiplication, laughter, innocence, honest, justice, development, happiness, calm, ecstasy. Murphy's 5 strongest affirmations. Among the 5 strongest affirmations I chose, if there is something you feel, I think it is good to choose it. 1. Work success. My job is God's job. And God's work always prospers. I bless myself and others, using God's wealth wisely, intelligently and constructively. I know that the law of proliferation works now. And I am open to God's wealth and rich multiplication and ready to accept it. I receive abundant supplies both inside and outside from an infinite treasure trove of my subconscious. Day and night I am attracting more and more people who want what I offer. They thrive, and I thrive. My head and mind are and will always be open to the influx of God's wealth. Money and wealth. 2. I acknowledge my inner source of wealth. And I come into contact with my thoughts. I also think the way to wealth is now wide open for me. And the wealth of God flows into me abundantly. More and more money is circulating in my life every day. Every day, I am mentally and financially and in all aspects. It is getting richer. Money is the idea of God circulating in my life. And there are too many. 3. Promotion. The promotion is now mine. Income growth is now mine. Outstanding success is now mine. These ideas sink into the subconscious. And my subconscious knows that I have to make it happen without compelling. 4. Health. Perfect health becomes real when you live, move, and act as if you were thinking of it. I now imagine and feel that my body is perfect. I am filled with peace and happiness. Thanks to God the Father. 5. Good partner addition. Thank you for having a great spirited partner who is in perfect harmony with me. Other. 1. What happens if I don't choose my life? Q. What should I choose? Also, I don't know what makes sense or what is logical. Advice from Murphy. A. You have chosen not to choose. You have just chosen to accept what comes from the public mind, or what is called the law of average. 2. When leaving the choice to God, There is no better infinite intelligence working for you than through you. You are born in this world to choose. Make your own choices and make your own decisions. 3. The contents of the card that the rich man always keeps in his pocket. I repeat the following words slowly and quietly with love every morning. Excellent people are always quiet and calm. There will be your strength in tranquility and confidence. People who are slow to get angry are better than people who are strong. Lifetime plan for infinite wealth. Quiet heart. God lives in my heart. God is peace. This comfort holds me firmly in my arms. There is a deep sense of security, vitality and robustness at the bottom of this peace. This inner peace is the quiet meditation spirit of God. Just as a loving mother watches her sleeping child, the love and light of God watches over me. In the depths of my heart is the Holy Spirit, which is my comfort, my strength, my source. The habit of reading this book 5 minutes a day may add tremendous wealth to life. In this channel, you will find useful information for your life. Carefully select only useful information. It will be updated once a week. Please look forward to it. If you are interested, please subscribe to the channel. Pray for your life to be wonderful. Let's see you again.